Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll all the way down to find software update. Let's simply tap on it. Now we need to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on auto download. So basically all you need to do is to make sure that you've got using Wi-Fi only marked. If for some reason you've got never, it shouldn't really happen, but if for some reason you've got never, just mark this middle option. I do not recommend using this option, the third one, using Wi-Fi or mobile data, because it might cause some charges. I mean, the update packages are quite large and downloading them via mobile data could be quite costly and expensive, so just don't do it. Just make sure that it is set on using Wi-Fi only, so your device will not only check for the updates but also download them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.